Duff, live in the middle of nowhere, and today I'm working on the bathroom. Today is an electrical day. Okay, that's what I'm doing. So this is for the washer. Okay, that's, like I said, washer. I identify where everything is in my house, so I know. So I'm going to run electrical all the way from here to there, up there, and across and all that. But I'm most likely not even going to go up and across. I was thinking maybe just come across it, because I could put it behind those 2x2s and then out and around, and then just come around here, because this is where the switch is going to be. There's like a little line right here that tells me the 30-inch mark from here, so that's the door. So it's got to be on this side, which is fine, and it's going to be about that height. That's about waist height. Well, no, more rib cage height for me. I have, yeah. Plug-in's gonna go about here, so I need to just go over there. I don't care about the 2x4s getting in the way and stuff, because I'm just gonna drill holes right through it, and that's not a problem. The easiest way with the plug, with the switch, then I go from here all the way up to right here. Ow! Right there. I am putting in the light, because the light dangles down a little bit more. This is going to get moved, because this here, I won't be using all of it, as that's the old port. There, I'll try to block the light. And that there will come down and feed a vent down into here. That way I have heat to the basement bathroom. Alright, so you see it dangling. That is the plug-in, and that's going to go right there from that side. Obviously it's not going to be like this kind, because the wire's rigid-ish. And then there's my plug-ins, okay? I have all the grounds into this box here, as well I've got the ground into that box, but I have the ground into the plug-in itself. There's a ground wire for the plug, so, because it doesn't need to go in there, it's just for that. Now I have two wires that go into here, the switch. Okay, so your positive, positive, positive. So that positive negative is basically just going to be a positive feeding itself through, where is it? Here. Okay, so positive and negative. It's just to create a single wire loop if you really want it. You don't need both positive and negative. So that's just to short the switch. Okay, that's all it's to do. And then I've got it going all the way up here, around, over here, down, and it's going to wrap in there. I did not put a power to it, or even chance to power to it yet, because I don't want to get electrocuted. Even though the breaker's off, always do that last piece for me. For anybody else, if that's you, give her shit, man. Get electrocuted. I really don't care. It's not a smart idea to do if you want to get electrocuted, but there's that. So I've got to plug in these. So these two wires, that is, so here you go, yeah, top wires here, you can see them on the angle a little bit there. It's hard to see really. Okay, so that's your plug-in, because it's going up from the bottom, and this coming down. Yeah, so the left one here, this is the light, that is the power from the actual main power. So these two get connected, but these two, the plug-in and this, get connected, because they're always powered all the time, because I don't want to turn the power off the plug when I turn off the light switch. Now I only need really the power from this going to the switch, and then I only need the power from that switch, one going to one of these. So the whites go together, but this is, it's a pain in the ass how it's done, but I'll show you in a bit. Here's a perfect example. Sure, my grounds are all messed up. This is live, okay? This is what powers that light. Okay, so this here. So this is the light, this is the switch, and that's another plug-in. Okay, that's where the main power goes. Like it goes down to there, a plug goes into here, and that's whatever. Okay, that is essentially main power, light, and an accessory plug. Doesn't really matter because the plug feeds off and it goes, it routes into there and out to there. So main power comes from here. So positive goes to the white, to the switch, and then the negative goes to the negative of the light. Okay, and then the light's positive goes to the negative of the switch. Yeah. It's a real messed up thing. So I gotta be careful what I do when I do the plug-in thing, because it's a pain in the ass. And then obviously the positive and the negative are there. So the negative is up on that and the positive is down. If I have to spin, I spin it. That's easy. Now I'll do what I did to the laundry room light to this one. So I had to go a different route. So this is the power line that goes all the way to there, and obviously switch over and to this light. Light's got positive, negative on it, as if for the light. The positive goes in there. It's a route, single thing. This just routes the power in, the positive in. So the positive goes to the one in there. You'll see there's a moret in the back. Well, it's because this is just for the positive. That's what the light switch is for. It has nothing to do with the negative. The negative is connected to the negative. So, pretty simple. Positive in, positive out. And then the negatives connect, and I have the ground wires bolted to the back. And same with this. So the positive goes into the top of the plug-in, and then which conjoins in the same. So you see positive one side, negative this side. Well, positive this side, negative that side, and the both grounds are connected not to the back plate, but to the actual electrical box there. You see that little green bolt or screw, whatever the fuck you want to call it, and then it goes back. Now all I got it left to do, not trip over 2x6s, and I gotta take this off. Come on, get around. Yeah. Okay, so I gotta figure out, get that there. So I have to take this off. That's simple. The simple plate, and then just wire the other piece in. And that I will need 2 hands for. So I have another change of plan. Okay, that is rusted and it doesn't want to come out. So I'm not gonna fight with it. Like, it's pretty corroded. You see the green bolt? Yeah. So it's got oxidization and it's rusty. Well, change of plans were, fuck it. I know I already have an open access to power, which is the same thing as like the laundry light. So this one here is the laundry light, and that now is the bathroom. Goes all the way through because I already had holes drilled from prior work I did. Because this light here used to be going across on top of this plumbing pipe, which is stupid. I needed to cross here so that way it, like, you know, you're doing laundry, you want it by both your machines. Well, that's what it's there for. And now this will go to there, and I have a light here just put in. It's all wired in. Now the first thing to do is just, I'm going to go to the breaker panel, and I'm going to, hold on a second, turn off the light on my phone. So now it's not on number 8, which is where I was doing washer, number 9. Okay, so now we can see the light for the, see, I'll turn it off and on. This is light switch. Okay, that's the laundry room. Now if I did it right, I should get power. Look at that. Now if I did it right even further, this should plug into here, no problem. I'm gonna have to use my bag. Okay. Palm sander works. So I now have power to my bathroom for the lights. And the best part is, it's not going over any of this. It goes over this a bit, Here, I'll even move around, look in there. So you can see the power, it does go up there, and it might touch. So what I'll do is I'll just move this over to here. That's not hard. But it doesn't touch really far up there because it goes into that bolt, or the hole that's drilled. Better yet, I could even put it through here, you know? Simple shit. I should have thought about that first. That's actually where I will put it. I'll put it through here, but that means I gotta disconnect this. But that's fine. It was a little pain in the ass, but it's only literally disconnecting the screw on that side, and the ground, pulling it out, feeding it through, and then feed it back down. So, Saf, how you doing over there, puppy? Think we're all done for today? No? Are we done? Yeah, I think we're done. Turn off light, cuz it's bright. So, I'm Duff, middle of nowhere, living, doing renovations and stuff, and that's bathroom electrical. That's all I had to do. And like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. I can get it certified by a certified electrician afterwards to check my work, but I don't give a shit right now. Anybody can do it. It's a do-it-yourself. You don't have to do what everybody else does. Oh, you didn't do it this way, blah blah blah. Pay somebody else. Electricians, a lot of them are just there looking for fucking money. It's good at trade to make money, but you don't have to always do what they do or do what they want. So, like always, have a good one.